Hello everyone, greetings, welcome my YouTube channel. Railway Recruitment Board released upcoming job vacancies short notice for technician posts. This video are displayed about this short notice. This notification is merely brief. March 9 2024 is the official notification date. This is just a quick notice. The formal notification date is March 9 2024. This video provides all the information we need to apply online and pay the exam fee details. Only apply for online mode. Online applications will open on March 9 2024 and close on April 8 2024. Technician Grade 1 Signal Service Meli 1100 openings. Indian rupees 29,200 monthly salary. Technician Grade 3 Indian rupees 19,900 monthly salary. 7,900 openings. 9,000 positions total for both posts. We will explain how to apply and provide all other details in the following video after the brief official notification is out. Exam fee 500 Rs. No need to pay exam fee for female applicants, SC, serviceman, PWBD. Digital payment methods are accepted. Read the official notification before submitting an application. Individuals that are satisfied may apply. For more videos on job openings, subscribe to my channel and watch my videos. Thanks.